Hello, what's up, guys? How's it doing? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are back with another market update session. Today, we will analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and 30-minute time frame. And at the end of the video, I will tell you what is the next move of BTC. So, on previous market update session, BTC was around 20,100. It was pretty much pumping when I made a dedicated video on it to not go long on BTC. So you can just go back and confirm that as well if you want to confirm. So BTC, I told you clearly that if you want to go long on Bitcoin, you have to wait for 19,600 and 18,900 if you want to get into long entries. So BTC actually dropped after 1 to 2 hours of my video till 19,600, and actually it bounced from this zone towards 19,900. So if you were involved in this beautiful scalp, so make sure to book your profits even if it's less. Okay, so let's analyze BTC today on 4-hour time frame first, and then we will jump onto 30-minute time frame. So if you want free signals, you can just join us on Telegram. Our Telegram link would be in description as well. You can search Dr. Crypto, this sign, and two if you want to join us on Telegram. Okay, so currently we are on BTC 4-hour time frame. What is happening right now? If we analyze the chart like the institutional traders, which we will see, this was our high and this was our low. This whole move was an impulse. After impulse, we see a retracement. So in order to confirm a retracement, we draw the tool that is known as Fibonacci. You can just go back and draw this into your charts as well. This is the tool which we have to draw from swing high toward the swing low, and we have to confirm the retracement till the 50% of it. Okay, this is known as the rule of 50. Okay, this is known as the rule of 50. If you want to learn this, you can DM us on Telegram. We will make dedicated videos on technical analysis as soon as possible. Okay, so this is basically the rule of 50. We have to confirm the retracement by Fibonacci. So this whole move happened, and this retracement got confirmed. Okay, so if we analyze again, if we put the Fibonacci tool again from this swing high toward this swing low, what we would see, this is an impulse, this is an impulse, and basically its retracement has not been completed yet. Its retracement is around 50%. That's around targets is these areas 21k. Okay, maybe 20,500 to 21k, and these areas. Okay, so in order to confirm its retracement, price has to medicate into these areas. Okay, so still we are above the protected low around 18,200. So as far as price is above 18,200, as I have been telling you guys from my previous market updates, that as far price is above 18,200, we will find long opportunities, and our main targets would be these areas and this imbalance. Okay, this is basically low node areas and 50% of retracement of impulse as well. So this is the update on 4-hour time frame. What basically we are looking that as far as price is above 18,200, we will find long opportunities, and our main targets would be these areas 20,500 and this area 22,000. Okay, so the question is, when will price reach these areas? Okay, so for that we have to jump onto 30-minute time frame and analyze BTC like again like a institutional traders. Okay, so here we are on 30-minute time frame, Bitcoin USD. So basically I don't analyze indicators and chart patterns, so this stuff is confusing for you, but try to understand this, because all those indicators and chart patterns are useless. Okay, they are just to manipulate you guys and make you lose money in the market. Okay, so currently we are on BTC USD 30-minute time frame. What we can see, we have a protected low at this area 18,900. We have a protected low around 18,900. This protected low is on 30-minute time frame. Remember, on 4-hour time frame our protected low is 18,200. Okay, so what is happening right here, we have liquidity around this area, and around this area. So if price maintains above this protected low, so this is basically our protected low. If price maintains above this protected low, give us confirmation through the Wyckoff, and then we will find long opportunities from this area towards this area. Our first target would be this area 19,400. Our second target would be 19,700, and our third target would be 20,100, and our rest targets would be based on 4-hour time frame. But the main idea is that price has to maintain this protected low. Price, if price breaks this protected low, whose target is around 18,900, then it wouldn't be a good sign for alts. Okay, so we will tell you if it breaks 18,900, what is the next move. We will tell you on community section in YouTube, as well on my Telegram, as my Twitter and Insta as well. Okay, so but the core idea is we are expecting a bounce from in price from this area, targeting these and these areas. Okay, so this was our market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram for free trading signals, and make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.